So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Majesco share. So yesterday when we have discussed about Majesco, so mainly we discussed why it has hit the lower circuit. So what are the major reasons? So we have done a separate case study and we have discussed all the major reasons that can be possible because of this particular fall. So yesterday we know that bulk deals also have happened. So today we'll clearly discuss each and every bulk deal that has happened on March 3rd, that is yesterday. Okay, so everything will be discussed, and apart from that, I have received many comments that how we can exit from Majesco. So clearly I'll explain how to place the order so that your order execution chances will also increase, so that also we'll discuss. And apart from that, if you have not joined the Telegram, do join that, so you can instantly, if any update comes, you can take the necessary action. So like many people yesterday, they have booked almost 34k profit in Majesco. I'll show that as well. And many people have I told them to exit in BSC. I told them try to put order in BSC, so there also many people got executed, so they have sent the screenshots as well. So stay updated in Telegram so that if any instant update comes regarding any stock, I can post there. And also apart from that, I give 10 stocks on regular basis so that you can add to their watch list, so you can learn something new. So that is what I've created that particular Telegram. Okay, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so yesterday one of our subscriber has booked very good profit, I guess roughly around 34k. So he has entered near 63 rupees level and successfully exited at 121 rupees. So many people have asked also what can be the short term target. I also personally message them. If you have any doubts, you can personally message as well. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So in that also you can message and share your screenshots as well. So well and good. If you're earning profit, I'll feel happy. And if you have any doubts regarding any share, like what can be the target, so for them also I'm personally messaging. Okay, so exiting at the right time also is important. So people have joined the Telegram, they have exited at the right time. And also I told yesterday you can try in BSC also. So many people have tried in BSC and they told that it's working. So definitely you can also try that, because when you compare NSE and BSC, because many people try to sell their orders in NSE, but ultimately what happens is that NSE more number of shares are present, like more number of sell orders are present. So I'll take you to the charts, then you can see there, you will see that almost 50 lakh shares, 80 lakh shares, they'll be present in NSE, but BSC you'll see considerably little less. So chances of execution are also we can say are more as compared to NSE, but you need to enter at the right time. So what is the time and everything, I'll discuss that. So first let us discuss about bulk deals. Okay, so we're back onto the bulk deals section. So this is the bulk deals which happened on March 3rd. So about this Pramod Agrawal, I'll explain about this person separately. So this particular person has done regular, we can say positional trades in Majesco. I'll explain what are the various levels where he has entered. So yesterday also you can see actually Majesco, when yesterday it has opened, we know that slight little downfall was there. Again it has hit the upper circuit. So it has opened upper circuit, not directly lower circuit. So this particular operators who are trying to, we can say, show a movement that it is trying to hit, but again they start selling with heavy volume. So clearly you can see first he has invested 50,000 shares have been put at 122, but later you can see how he has sold. You can see almost heavy quantity. See, you can compare where is 50,000, where is 17 lakhs. So there you can see the suddenly they'll increase the selling volume. So ultimately the lower circuit, which is supposed to hit in little huge time frame, it suddenly hits the lower circuit. So that's why 6 minutes, I guess roughly, it was fluctuating. So after that it has hit the lower circuit. So apart from that, you can see Nimish Deepak broker, so they have also sold almost at 122.16. and also you can see Balaji Agencies, it has also sold you can say roughly 6,20,000 shares at 122.70. so these are the various bulk deals that happened on March 3rd. So if you compare all, you will see at same point you can see all of them have exited at 122, 122, 122. So that's why we have seen some some heavy spike in volumes on the selling side, and obviously because of the heavy volumes the stock has also ultimately hit the lower circuit. So I told about this particular person, Pramod Agarwal, so on which positions he has entered. So let's try to understand that as well. Okay, if we go little back in the bulk deals section, so all of them were exiting. Okay, so all of them majorly, if we see major institutions or various agencies, you can see the Rajasthan Global Securities. I discussed about this particular bulk deals in my previous videos as well. So just I'm giving an insight. So there also you can see when all are selling, so this particular person was buying in small portion. Okay, so 5,000 quantity at 83.15. So the small movements that we used to see whenever the stock, whenever it tries to fall, okay, so these particular operators, whatever we say, they try to again buy in the opposite direction, and as usual it has hit the upper circuit. Okay, so that is well and good. So he has been adding, you can see from 51 rupees level. So in 51 rupees level also roughly you can see 2 lakh shares were bought by this person. So who is this person? I'll make a separate video. I can discuss about this particular person. He is something I need to discuss separately. So if I start discussing about here, so it will take little time. So we need to even discuss how to place the sell order as well. So we'll discuss that, and then in next video I'll discuss about this person. So what actually it does, and what in which companies it tries to do this sort of positional trades. Okay, so now if we see the market depth of Majesco share, so clearly you can see it is near 105.55 and it has hit the 5% lower circuit. So if you see how many pending orders are present right now, so you can see almost roughly you can say 51 lakh, okay, shares are still in the pending order. And if you see, okay, if you see the same stock trading in BSE, that is MJCO, so you can see there, you can see almost 13 lakh shares are present roughly. So you can see huge quantities present in NSE, so the chances of execution are also very less. So simple, you can understand, like if you go to any grocery shop, and if you are in the billing side, when you go to the billing side, so you may see a huge queue, and same way you may see alternate queue which has little less members. So obviously you will try to opt to the queue which has less members, so that the chances of execution also increase. So same scenario you can implement here as well. So that's why I told try to implement as soon as possible in BSE as well, because NSE it will obviously take time, but BSE, since orders are getting very less, so definitely chances of execution there also increases. So this is one way that you can maximize your execution. So what is the other thing? So that we'll discuss now. Okay, so other way that you can exit from any lower circuit stock, so not only this particular stock, so you need to do just a simple basic calculation. So what is the lower circuit for Majesco? So we know that it is almost 5%. Okay, so 5% is the lower circuit for Majesco. So simply what you need to do, I'm taking yesterday's scenario. So we know that yesterday it has closed roughly around 111 rupees. So what you need to do, just you need to multiply with 0.95. Okay, 0.95 is the, you can say, empirical value. So this is constant value that you need to multiply for 5% lower circuit stocks. So Majesco 5%, right? So you can multiply 111 into 0.95. Okay, so if you multiply 111 into 0.95, so you'll get roughly 105 point something change. So that is what is the price of today. So today you know that it's currently around 105 point change. So that value you need to note it down. Okay, this is first step you need to do. So basically you need to remember this value 0.95, and whenever you want to sell, so before 1 day only you need to do this calculation. So let's say today it has closed near 111, so immediately make the calculation and you'll get 105. Okay, so this is one thing. Okay, so another thing is that if you get any round figures like let's say 56.89, so if you're multiplying with 0.95, so if you're getting any mixed numbers like 56.89, so you have to place order like 56.90. So it will not take this we can say 2-digit numbers, it will take a whole digit value. So try to put it as a 56.90. Okay, so pice, you can see here difference of pice. Okay, so it will not accept that, so try to put it like in a fixed value, like whole number value. So that is another important thing. So first thing, you calculated the price the one day before itself, and you have seen that you're not having any mixed numbers. And after that, what you need to do, so early morning, so you can see early morning you can place exactly at 9 p.m. or in the pre-market. Okay, you can see here at 9 a.m. exactly you need to place the order. Okay, you need to place the order, or you can use even the AMO order as well, depends upon you, or you can even place at 3:45, that is also known as aftermarket order. Okay, anything AMO depends upon your brokerage as well, so try to place at that point of time. I told favorably go for BSC, or you can try even NSC, depends upon you, but chances of execution, as I told, in BSC also is more only. Okay, so do this thing exactly at 9 a.m. so don't make any delay. So obviously chances are less, but also you can give a try, so it may increase, so chances may increase. Okay, so keep these two things in mind. Okay, hope this is clear. If you want to watch it again, so just go back and again try to watch this particular step, so that you'll understand how to place the sell order accurately. Okay, so next, when we go to the volume analysis, so clearly on 3rd March you can see how there was a spike. So how much amount the traded quantity is present, so completely that has been taken away. So profit booking, obviously we tell that as profit booking, so that profit booking has happened, so definitely the stock has also hit the lower circuit. So ultimately what happens, we know that RSI, everything goes down. So now whenever any stock which used to trade in overbought region, so ultimately it starts to come down. So that is one major reason. Okay, so we know that it has opened near 83 rupees level. Okay, so earlier it has opened near 83, again near 63, again near, I guess, roughly around 53 rupees level. So I got other comments like will it get delisted? Okay, will delisting happen again? Will it go to zero? So these were the many questions that were arising. So about delisting and all, so that company management has not released anything, because they are having the fund, so assets are still present. So when the delisting happens, so when it is completely in a bankrupt situation, so nothing is left for them, even the management is hopeless, company is also not performing, so in that situation the chances of delisting also increases. But in this scenario we can't say anything, because management has still 340 crore, so 240 crore which they have the additional land where they can start the business. So apart from that, 100 crore where they got by selling their US business at premium valuations. So still we can say 340 crores is present. So definitely still hope is there. So if company starts any super magic thing happens with the management only, again it can start revival. So that you need to check on regular basis if they're releasing any update. So I'll check the BSE site as well if any update is being posted by the company, so that immediately I'll update in the Telegram. Okay, so for right now, don't do any sort of buying. So when to buy and all, I will clearly mention that. For now, let's try to book your profit. So that is very important thing. So few people are exiting, so that is well and good. So try to follow these strategies which we have discussed. So don't try to additionally do anything. So when to do and all, we'll discuss that. I'll post every update in Telegram as well. Okay, so further, if you have any doubt, okay, regarding any stock, not only Majesco, you can ask about that, and also join the Telegram so that you'll not miss any instant update. So until then, take care. Bye bye.